Hi everybody, I'm Pia from Stitches and Scraps, and today I'm going to show you how to do this final round of triangles on this Tunisian entrelac cowl. I finished working all of the diamond rows or square rows, however you want to look at it, and I'm ready to do the top border, which will be triangles just like this, just upside down. So where this row was all increases, this is going to be all decreases. So let's take a look at how to do that. The first part of this row is just like we've been doing for the squares. We join our yarn by pulling up a loop in the top corner of that diamond, and get that out of the way. There we go. And then we pick up a loop in each of these stitches going across. We're going to do our decrease on the return pass, so the forward pass is the same as it's been all along. Okay, I have 9 loops on my hook, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I do my slip stitch in the corner here just like I've been doing, and I'm going to keep working these off 2 at a time just like I did before until I get down right to the end where I have 3 loops on my hook. And at this very last stitch, instead of going through 3, instead of going through 2, I'm going to go through all 3, and that gives me a decrease. Now when I pick up loops, this is part of the decrease. Okay, this vertical bar is part of the decrease. So I'm going to ignore that vertical bar and start from the next vertical bar when I pick up my loops. So this time I should have 8 loops on my hook when I'm done. And I have 8. So now I do my slip stitch for the next row. And I repeat the same thing, go across, taking off 2 at a time, or going through 2 at a time until I have 3 left on my hook, go through all 3. And now when I pick up, again, this bar here is part of the decrease, so don't pick that one up. Pick up the next one. Okay. And then go into the next stitch and do a slip stitch and keep going across. I have 3 loops on my hook, go through all 3, ignore this one, and start picking up in the next one. And I keep doing this all the way across. So ignore that one, pick up here. Oops, I missed my decrease there. Let's back that up a bit. Okay, I got 3 on my hook, go through all 3, skip that first one, and start picking up from the next one. This time I only have 3 on my hook to begin with, so I go through those. I can pick this one up here and then do my slip stitch here and go through 2 to finish it off. So that finishes off my triangle, and now at the top I just do a slip stitch into the next stitch. And there we go, we have our triangle. Now when we come back around to work the edging, we're going to want 9 stitches per triangle, because down here we had 9 stitches per triangle. So let's look at how many little V's we have on top for this triangle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's perfect. Every triangle is going to have 9 little V's on top, and we'll do 1 stitch in each one of those. So I'm going to keep doing triangles all the way around and catch up to you at the end when we get to join. I've come to the end of the row of triangles, and now I'm going to finish with the slip stitch right into the same stitch that we started in, that same stitch that we pulled up our first loop in, and that will finish this row. But now I'm not fastening off, because if you remember, we started our cowl with a row of single crochet. So we're going to end our cowl with a row of single crochet as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chain 1 to get up to the height of a single crochet. And then I'm just going to go across, and there should be 9 single crochet for each triangle. And I'm just going to single crochet all the way around. So let's count for this first triangle. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And that brings me back to, oop, that's a little tight there, sorry. That brings me back to the next triangle. So I'm going to keep going around like that. These ones that were slip stitches right at the top, those are going to be a little bit tight to work into. They will be a little bit tougher to work into, but you should be able to get into them. And I'm just going to keep going around, and that should give me 99 single crochet, because I should have 11 triangles. I finished all 99 stitches and joined with a slip stitch to finish the round. And that's how you make the Autumn Air Cowl. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, or leave me a comment. You can also subscribe to my channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching.